Hi, I am Fanny Garcia, estoy en un minuto. I am going to tell you a story using past perfect and present perfect. A hired angel. One day, a beautiful hired for lake, living bay came to her. He did. Conan with his hard chair, a place where it the very hood. He was alone, he had were very afraid to come, that the was long. For a while he went to walk the street of a city in search of fun and a place to sleep. He has no one would he finally learned to live on the tree which and the vastlet it encountered. It was not easy for him to lie more than 4 years in this. Condit and his wife wondered why he had come to this world if he did not fit make the list. One day he was sitting on where was, as always, in the cool and umber where he feels he had hearing him, hulked and with hopeful son, fair and blessing him has she walk. He had a tender look walking when in the for a few minutes and took him to his house where he had found. What unpleased aware with, he understood that his home was the what house home. He asked me feel. I don't understand the reason for my life yet. For a few months, the Tunespin half month was when he understood that the most meaning of his life was to with the hand angel one wall tag carved on and company that chill Woham Megan to life. Thank you.